All right, so next we're going to look at logarithmic, logarithmic equations. Always a problem saying that word. Logarithmic equations. So let me do example 35. You can double back and do 34. All right, so we're asked to solve the equation ln 3x plus 2 minus ln 2 is equal to 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the expression on the left, ln 3x plus 2 minus ln 2 is equal to 1. I'm going to make the expression on the left-hand side of the equation into 1 log using one of the laws of logarithm that this is equal to. So here, if I'm subtracting 2 logs and the base is the same, I can make it into 1 logarithm by dividing. So this is saying ln 3x plus 2 divide by 2. And that is equal to 1. Remember I said that that ln is the same as saying log to the base e. So now I can move now from, the next thing I'll do is that I would move from the log form to the index form. And in the log form, what we have is the log to the base e of the number 3x plus 2 over 2 is equal to the power, which is 1. So moving now from the log form to the index form, we have the number, which is 3x plus 2 over 2 is equal to the base e raised to the power 1. I remember I said earlier that e is a constant. I think it's approximately 2.7 something, 2.71. I don't remember the exact, but I know it's 2.7 something. All right, so now this is the same as just simply saying, we could say that this is saying 3x plus 2 over 2 is equal to e over 1. Remember that whenever you raise anything to the power 1, you don't have to put the power. Now, our objective is to solve the equation, which is to find out the value of x. Now, if I have one fraction is equal to one fraction, to get rid of the fraction, I would cross multiply. So 1 times 3x plus 2 is 3x plus 2 is equal to 2 times e, which is 2e. Positive 2 on the left goes over to the right and become negative. So 3x is equal to 2e minus 2. Then if I divide both sides by 3, I'm going to get that x is equal to 2e minus 2 over 3. All right. Now, of course, we can work that out to a number because remember, e has a value. So if you plug this in your calculator, x is equal to 2e minus 2 over 3, you're going to get x is equal to approximately 1.15. You're going to get x is equal to approximately 1.15. All right. The question did say to 3 decimal places, so it's 1.16, I think. 1.116, I think. Or is it 46?
It's 1.146.
46. Yeah, man, 1.146. All right, so I want you guys now to attempt example 34. All right, so example 34 is asking us to solve this equation. The log to the base 2 of 4x plus 2 is equal to 6. Now moving from log form to index form, the number, which is 4x plus 2, is equal to the base 2 raised to the index 6. So what we have now is what? 4x plus 2 is equal to 2 to the 6, which is 64. Positive 2 on the left goes over to the right and become negative. We have 4x is equal to 64 minus 2. 4x is equal to 62. Then lastly, I would divide both sides by 4 to get x. 2 into this is 2. 2 into this is 31. X would be equal to 15 and 1 over 2. X would be equal to 15 and a half.